Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering. I'm Spiritis, and in today's episode I'm actually doing two episodes simultaneously. So we will be cleaning things in the ultrasonic cleaner, which I just picked up, so I don't even know if it works, but I will also be cleaning things for the E36. But this is, I think it's 6 liters or something, so we should be able to fit lots of things in it. So if you want to see what I'm doing with the E36, then go and watch that. There is a playlist for all the episodes. But so the things that we need to clean are the fasteners for the AC system, so that we don't bring as much dirt into the sandblasting cabinet. No old oil or gunk or whatever, and then sandblast them and sink treat them, etc. You know the drill. So let's get started. So the ultrasonic cleaner is started, and we have a timer and a temperature, and I'm using a mix of alkaline degreaser, which I have in the bag, and then I fill up the outer area with clean water, just to lower the dirt amount inside the cleaner itself. The fasteners for the AC came out quite clean, so now we can easily see the rust that needs to be removed. I do have a few fasteners that look really nice, but I will sandblast all of them to get them ready for sink treatment. Other parts are still in the cleaner or on the floor. So the fasteners for the AC pump, at least, and the tensioner bracket, they are sandblasted, so they are now ready for the next step, so sink treatment and yellow passivization. So I also did a little bit of sandblasting of the turbine housing. It doesn't really go that fast. The welded area is at least sandblasted, and at least as of now I can't see any cracks after welding it, so that's a positive sign. And I will need to grind off any protruding weld, and I have received my new grinding bits, so that can be done at a later date. So it's another day, and I'm about to sink treat the fasteners for the AC parts, and as you can see, some rust have formed. The bag that they were in was not completely dry, so I will use some hydrochloric acid, what I've used before, mixed in this jug, so that will remove the small amount of surface rust, and then I will rinse it in deionized water and then start the sink treatment. So I have my gloves and glasses because I want to keep my sight. So I'll get back in a minute. So I added some hydrochloric acid in order to lower the pH level. but I'm still not really getting the result that I would like. If we look at the copper wires, we see that zinc have been transferred, so perhaps also to the fasteners. So there is a bit of going back to the drawing board. Maybe I need to reevaluate the fluid that I have. We'll see. I'll pick this up another day. So the shine is gone in my zinc fluid, so I will add this to bring back some shine. So as you can see, we now have the shine back, so I will move on to the next step. So I'm letting the screws hang dry, and while I was here I picked up the mount for the AC compressor and gave it a coat of semi-flat black, and also this bracket for the belt adjustment for the AC, just so that they are finished at the same time. The other ones will get zinc treated and yellow passivated. Here we have the fasteners that I zinc treated and yellow passivated. We have the bracket, which I sandblasted, primered, and put a semi-flat black top coat on. And then of course the AC compressor, which is in need for some cleaning. Let's remove the intake manifold again so that we can reach this area down here. So the intake manifold is removed. I also removed the brake booster. That's for another episode. I think I will also remove the alternator just to clear up some space from above. And I'm also looking into replacing this hose. And I would like to have an AN fitting on here and then also down there. So we'll see if that can be done or if I'm waiting with that. We'll see. If I replace that, then I will need to use my other set of valve covers, which means I have AN fittings over here, and that would also require different routing for the PCV system. But a bit disturbing is to see all this oil in all the intake runners. I can't see that in the opening from here. It seems quite dry, so not much blow by, but that would mean that the valve stem seals are bad. So that's not fun. So as you just saw in the episode that you watched, the fasteners for the AC system is cleaned and sandblasted and zinc treated, and I've managed to get the shine back the yellowness back, etc. So I think they are looking okay. And the intake manifold is removed so that we get some more space in the area where the AC compressor is located. So in the next episode I think we will be reinstalling the AC system. It's not really a retrofit, it's a reinstallation, because the car did come with this system. The big problem is to relocate all the parts, because I never intended, or I didn't actively intend to reinstall the AC system ever. I was suspecting that it would go more towards race or track or whatever, but I feel that I can it's a good thing to have the AC system, so it will be going back, and you will see that in the next episode. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.